Welcome to Section 1 and Lecture 2, Why Skills Alone Are Not Enough, The Power of Mindset. In traditional IT, if you learned Kubernetes or a new programming language, you could apply it directly to a problem. The path was relatively clear. But with AI, especially generative AI, the approach is very different. You must act as a guide, framing the problem with precision and iteratively refining the prompts to steer the model toward a valuable outcome. That's why the industry is saying mindset is your new most valuable asset. Let me give you an analogy. You can give two chefs the same ingredients, the same recipe, and the same kitchen. But a world class chef will create a masterpiece, while a novice will create a decent meal. So, the difference here is not in the tools, it's the culinary intuition, the creativity, the understanding of flavors. That's the mindset. For AI, the mindset shift is from a fixed IT mindset to a generative AI mindset. The fixed IT mindset says, for example, if an IT professional encountered problems during a solution design, he would think that there is a correct way to do this. Or if he is starting a new project, he would always think that I need complete requirements before I start. If he is reviewing a solution and if he finds small issues also, he would think that if solution is not 100% accurate, it's broken. If he encounters a production issue, he would think and say, my job is to find the bug and fix it. But if you think the same way in generative AI world, it would not work. Here the mindset should say, for a problem encountered during solution design, IT professionals should think in terms of, let's see what are the possibilities. For new project, even though requirements are not 100% complete, he needs to think that I'll start with a prototype and iterate based on the information he has. During the solution review, even if the solution is 90% correct, he needs to think that 90% accuracy now is a great starting point. Let's improve it as we go along. For production issues encountered, he needs to think that my job is to ask the right questions and refine the output. This way, the mindset embraces experimentation, tolerates ambiguity, and sees every output not as a final product but as a first draft. It's the difference between being a technician and an innovator. Skills get your foot in the door, but the right mindset is what allows you to lead the conversation and build the future. And that's exactly what we'll be focusing on in the coming lectures, building the AI mindset. I will see you in the next class.